Is your Epson EcoTank printer showing a paper jam error and you can't figure out what's going on? Well, whether you're dealing with a real paper jam or one of those tricky phantom jams where the printer thinks there's a jam, I have got you covered. In this video, you will learn step-by-step process to resolve the Epson printer paper jam issue real quick. If you get stuck at any point during the process, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen to get a one-on-one expert assistance. So, without any further delay, let's go ahead and fix that paper jam. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Look for the paper jam. First, you should go to the backside of your printer. Then place your fingers in the two holes and grab the latch to open the back cover. After that, look inside your printer for any paper pieces stuck inside. Next, move to the front side of the printer and open the top cover. If you find any paper inside, then carefully remove it before tearing it apart. Next, close the door and see if your problem has been resolved. If the paper jam problem still persists, then don't worry, cause your printer might be showing the phantom paper jam. A quick printer restart usually helps fix it. If your problem is resolved after these solutions, then consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Method 2. Restart your printer. Press and hold the power button on your printer. When you see the confirmation screen, then press the OK button. After that, turn the printer back on and see if the paper jam issue is resolved. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.